Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm Mary, and today we have a very exciting and practical topic, shopping in English.
Yes, shopping is something we all do whether you're buying clothes, food, or gifts. You need English phrases to help you talk confidently in stores, supermarkets, and malls.
Exactly. And today's episode is full of useful, real-life expressions. We'll also explain vocabulary, pronunciation, and small cultural tips. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's begin our shopping in English journey together.
And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily English Practice. If you enjoy learning English through real conversations, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine we're walking into a shopping mall on a sunny afternoon. Ready, John?
Let's go. Wow, Mary, this shopping mall looks amazing. It's so bright and colorful.
Yes, it is. And look, there's a clothing store over there. How about we go inside and look around?
Sure, I could use a new shirt. Let's go in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Styles Boutique. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm just looking around, thank you.
That's a perfect phrase. I'm just looking around. Thank you. It's polite and commonly used when you don't need help immediately.
Yes, and if you do need help, you can say, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
Very good. Or, do you have this in another color?
Or, where can I find men's shirts?
Exactly, simple, polite, and natural English.
This blue shirt looks nice. Oh, but I wonder if they have my size.
Can I help you find your size?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a medium.
Sure. Let me check for you. In English, when you want a specific size, you can say, "Do you have this in medium? I'm looking for a large size. Please, could I try this on?"
Good one. Could I try this on? Is what you say when you want to go to the fitting room.
Right. And the shop assistant will usually say, "Sure, the fitting room is over there." Or, "Of course, let me show you."
Oh, and don't forget on sale. When you see on sale, it means the price is lower than usual.
Let's pause for a quick learning moment. Here are a few common words you'll hear while shopping. Fitting room, the small room where you try on clothes. Receipt, the paper that shows what you bought. Cashier, the person who takes your payment. Price tag, the small label showing the cost. Discount, when something is sold for less than the regular price.
Excuse me, could you help me find the men's jacket section?
Perfect. For example, these shoes are on sale today.
Thank you so much.
Of course, sir. It's right over there, next to the accessories.
Yes, and don't forget to always say thank you or thanks. Politeness makes communication smoother.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need a different size.
Store, receipt, price, sale, discount.
Notice how polite John was. He said, "Excuse me, could you help me?" That's a very natural way to start a question in English stores.
Mary, did you notice how friendly shop assistants are here?
Exactly. English isn't just about grammar, it's about tone and kindness too. Pronunciation practice. Let's repeat a few useful shopping words together. Store, receipt, price, sale, discount.
Like saying, "How's your day going?" Or "It's a nice day, isn't it?"
Good. Repeat these at home and practice your pronunciation. That's how you sound natural when shopping in English.
I'm good, thanks. Just doing a little shopping. How about you?
Yes, they usually start with small talk, short, friendly conversation to make customers comfortable.
And remember, don't be afraid to speak. Even simple sentences make a big difference when you say them confidently.
Exactly. Let's practice a mini dialogue with small talk. Hi there. How are you today?
So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Let me know if you need help. See? Simple, friendly, and polite. It builds a nice connection. That's it for part 1 of shopping in English. You've learned how to greet shop assistants, browse politely, and ask for help naturally.
Now, in part 2, we'll focus on asking about prices, discounts, and comparing items things you say when you're ready to buy something.
Absolutely. And in part 2, we'll explore asking for prices, talking about discounts, and making a purchase at the cashier.
Okay, so now I've picked a nice blue shirt. It looks great, but I don't see the price tag.
You're listening to Daily English Practice, helping you speak English every day, naturally and confidently.
Yes, please. How much is this shirt?
So get ready, learners. You can listen, repeat, and even take notes. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice and like this video to support our English learning community.
Oh, not bad. Thank you.
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, but remember we usually say how much is this when you're showing something directly. For example, how much is this hat? Or how much are these shoes?
It's $25.99.
Right. And to make it even friendlier, you can add a little polite word like, "Excuse me, how much is this, please?"
Good question there. How much is this? It's short, polite, and very common. You can also say, how much does this cost? What's the price of this?
Hey, Mary, look, there's a big red sign that says sale, 50% off.
Great reminder. When the item is plural, use are. How much are these shoes?
So if something costs $20, now it's only $10.
Perfect English.
You can say, "Is this on sale? Do you have any discounts today? Is there a student discount?"
That's a good deal. It means the prices are half of the original price.
That's a good one, especially in department stores or big shopping centers.
Exactly. Now let's practice some phrases for asking about discounts or special offers.
Don't forget, in English-speaking countries, sales often happen during holidays like Christmas or Black Friday.
Perfect. And in some stores, you might ask, is the discount already included in the price?
Mary, I can't decide between this blue shirt and the white one. Which do you think looks better?
Let's go over a few shopping words and phrases that learners often confuse. Sale, a time when prices are reduced. The store has a big sale this weekend. Discount, a reduction in the price. They gave me a 10% discount. Offer, a special deal. Buy one, get one free offer. Clearance, when the store wants to sell old items quickly. This is a clearance sale.
Yeah? Why is that?
Yes, that's when you hear people say, everything must go, or huge holiday discounts.
Good point. But the white one looks more formal. Maybe I'll get both.
Both look nice, but I think the blue one suits you better.
Let's repeat them slowly together. Which one is cheaper? This one is more expensive. I prefer the blue one.
Because it matches your eyes and looks more casual.
Yes, you might see something like 19.99 or 19.99 each.
Good choice. Now, let's review some useful comparing phrases for learners. Which one is cheaper? This one is more expensive than that one. I prefer the blue one. They're about the same price. This one looks better on me.
And sometimes you'll see excluding tax, which means the price doesn't include tax yet.
Well done, everyone. Now, let's talk about price tags. Sometimes they show different information.
So if you're traveling, it's always good to ask, is tax included?
Or buy two, get one free.
Sure.
That's a good one to remember. In many countries, the final price is a bit higher because of sales tax.
Exactly. So you might say, how much are these jeans? I like that jacket over there.
Let's practice using this, that, these, and those. They're super common in shopping.
Price, cheap, expensive, discount, sale.
This shirt, near you. That shirt, farther away. These shoes, near you, plural. Those jeans, far away, plural.
Okay, I've decided. I'll take this blue shirt and that pair of jeans.
Simple, clear, and perfect English. Let's repeat some pronunciation from this part. Price, cheap, expensive, discount, sale,
By card, please.
excellent. Keep practicing out loud. Your English will sound more natural every day.
Done.
Perfect choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Thanks a lot. You too.
All right. Please insert your card when you're ready.
And you can reply with, I'll pay by card. Thanks. You too.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and have a great day.
And remember, practice makes progress, so next time you're shopping, try using one or two of these phrases in real life.
At the cashier, you'll hear some common phrases like, are you paying by cash or card? Please enter your PIN. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to keep learning with daily English practice.
Simple but essential English for real life. And that's the end of part 2 of Shopping in English. You did great. We covered prices, discounts, comparisons, and payment vocabulary.
It's going to be fun and full of practical English.
Yes, even small practice builds confidence.
See you in the next video.